Good morning, everyone. To our Assistant School Division Superintendent, Ma'am Carmen Meris. To our Curriculum Implementation Division Chief, Ma'am Juliet Sanad. Our guest of speaker, Melchor O. Santos. To our distinguished guests, dedicated teachers, proud parents and family members, and most especially to our resilient and radiant ALS graduates and completers of 2024 to 2025. Welcome to this momentous celebration. Today is not just a ceremony, it's a declaration. A declaration that learning is not confined to four walls, that determination can rewrite any story, and that hope, when anchored in purpose, can carry us through even the most unconventional paths. The world may call this an alternative learning system, but let me tell you, there is nothing alternative about the courage, discipline, and faith it took for each of us to get here. If anything, we've taken the road less traveled, and today it has made all the difference. As the Apostle Paul reminds us in Philippians chapter 1, verse 6, being confident of this, that he who began a good work in you will carry it on to completion until the day of Christ Jesus. God has started something beautiful in each and every one of us. And this graduation is not the finish line, it's the launching pad. Now I know some of us may be thinking, finally, no more modules. But don't worry, life has a way of handing out pop quizzes when we least expect them. The good news, we are more than ready. And to our parents and teachers, thank you for being the Wi-Fi signal when things got disconnected, the charger when motivation ran low, and the Google search when answers were hard to find. Your love and support have been the hidden curriculum behind every success story here. So today, let's celebrate not just academic achievement, but the triumph of perseverance, faith, and community. Graduates and completers, let us walk boldly into the future. We are not behind, we are right on time in God's perfect plan. Once again, welcome, and let's make this day one to remember.